understand this math class. So boring with all these numbers and stuff.
I know. When will I ever going to use this stuff anyway? Students, may ipapakita ko sa inyo that demonstrates how relevant and amazing math is truly is. Nakikita nyo to? See this kind of snap? Let's observe this for a moment. So in the outside, it's has a similar color, but in the inside, it's different. Like this one.
Whoa, they do differ in colors and patterns.
Exactly. And something very fascinating when we dig into it. So for example, this number of patterns. So as you can see in the example number 1, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So all we need to do is to add at least 2 for us to make a result for this example. And same goes to example number 2. So as you can see in the example number 2, we have 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14, and so on. So all we need to do is to add at least 3 for us to make this result.
Well, that is an amazing discovery. So mathematics isn't just dry numbers and rules, I guess.
So doing patterns is more on basically doing some repetitions.
I don't know. Math can be intriguing, I guess, and a lot more exciting.
What do we say we continue dig into it and explore math in different ways of learning? So let's do it. But may I ask guys kung saan kayo nahihirapan when it comes to math subject?
Para sa akin, one of the challenges is yung math anxiety or kaya yung lack of confidence when it comes sa recitation, gano'n. Kasi parang nagkakaroon ng fear of failing yung students and ayun yung nagiging reason bakit nagda-doubt sila sa sarili nila, gano'n.
One of the challenges I see is in this subject is that math is usually viewed as boring or overly abstract because many of us students may fail to see how in reality math underpins many innovations, problem solvings, or discoveries across different fields. And the perception of math as being dry is also one of the reasons why it is very, how do you say this, very hard to engage with.
For me, yung challenges na na-experience ko when it comes to math is difficulty in mastering some formulas and core foundation. Like for higher year level, most students kasi hindi sila nag-gain ng proficiency when it comes to building blocks like arithmetic, algebraic thinking, problem solving, and etc. So, naman sa akin is yung gaps in knowledge na nami-misconception tayo minsan when it comes to math. And dapat na i-develop ko.
I think one of the main factors that we consider, especially when it comes to math, is being make a strategies to make solutions to that problem. So when it comes to like arithmetic, Fibonacci, as like what we discussed last meetings, we can see that there's a lot of patterns, and thus, so being able to cope up in that situation, so we need to strategize any steps so that we can able to make an answer to the problem.